In the first 6 steps of the IRP, we examined a problem or research question from multiple disciplinary perspectives. We examined theories, concepts, assumptions, methods, and so much more. If we stopped here and didn't continue with the rest of the IRP, our work would constitute multidisciplinarity, examining a problem from multiple disciplines. Interdisciplinarity goes further and integrates the information we've collected about the problem from multiple disciplines. The textbook discusses a really great example. 6 different people have 6 different ideas about a problem. Each of their ideas is partially right, but none of them are completely right. Each one has a piece of the pie, if you will. A 7th person, the interdisciplinarian, collects information from each of the original 6 and asks them questions about their insights, including questions about their theories, concepts, methods, assumptions, like we did in the first 6 steps of the IRP. The interdisciplinarian then integrates all 6 insights and creates a new insight, a single composite description that provides a more comprehensive understanding of the problem. This understanding is not owned by one discipline, and it is limited to this problem and this context. Integration is central to interdisciplinary study. So central that it is often used as a litmus test. Did the author integrate, or did they simply evaluate disciplinary insights? Without integration, the work is multidisciplinary in nature.